Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing 5 hairstyles for spring. All of these are pretty simple. I recently cut a couple of inches off of my hair, and so I wanted to share kind of my go-to hairstyles for my hair right now. You can do these with longer hair or probably even shorter hair as long as you can get it up into a ponytail. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing that, keep watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. This first hairstyle is one that I wear all the time. All you need is a small elastic and some bobby pins. So I just take my hair and gathering some of it at the top of my head, I go from about my temples up and just grab that hair. And then the way that I turn it into like a little bit of a messy bun, I take my fingers and just go straight through and then make a fist. And then I twist the hair around that, grabbing it with those fingers. And then I have this kind of like little bun at the top of my head. And so I'll just take my other hand, free that hand, and then take the clear elastic. And I'll just secure the bun. And then I just kind of pull it out a little bit. And you kind of have this like floppiness. And then I'll just secure it to my head with some bobby pins. And you can kind of shape it as you're doing it just to get the shape that you want. Okay, so that looks good to me. I don't want it to be perfect. I just leave the rest of my hair down. And this is a super simple hairstyle that I just wear on the day-to-day. I love to wear this to run errands. I'll also go out at night or just wear it throughout the entire day. I don't like having my hair in my face, so anything to keep that hair off of my face is something that I like. So this is one of my absolute go-to hairstyles. For my next hairstyle, I'm just going to do a bit of a deeper part on the side, and you can part it on either side, whichever one you're more comfortable with. And then I'm just going to do a Dutch braid down the side of my hair, kind of sweeping it back. If you don't know how to Dutch braid, I have a video on it from probably like a year ago now, which I will link up here and down below in the bottom bar. There's tons of videos online about it, but I personally like to do a Dutch braid just because I have darker hair, so braids don't stand out quite as much on me as they do if you have blonde hair. The only difference is you put your hair underneath, and for a French braid, you put the hair over top of the braid. But yeah, other than that, they're essentially the same thing. And I am just picking up from only the front instead of picking up from both sides. And then once I get basically to the back of my ear, I'm just going to take the hair that I have in the braid and finish out the braid and secure it with a clear elastic. And then I am going to pull the braid apart and just make it really, really big. You kind of just massage the sections so that they get a little bit bigger. And then once you have the braid as big as you want it, take the rest of your hair and just pull any pieces out that you want out. I always pull the pieces right in front of my ears out. And then I create a ponytail, and then I'll take that braided piece and put that in it as well. And then you can secure it with a clear elastic or a regular ponytail holder. And I am just going to do a small little messy bun. And then I just kind of loosen it up and make sure it's not super tight against my head. And this is the finished look. I love that it has the braided detail all the way to the back, and then you just have a messy bun. I think it's super simple. This is one of my go-to hairstyles that I wear to work out. It's out of my face and the braid is gonna stay in and stay out of my way. So this is absolutely one of my favorite ways to wear my hair when I work out, but I just love it for summer too. I love having braids in my hair. It's just so fun and girly. So yeah, this is one of my go-to all the way up hairstyles. Another thing you can do if you still have that braid in is just pin it to the back of your head with the rest of your hair down. Or one thing I really like to do is pull back hair from the other side and just create a half up, half down look. And again, secure it with a ponytail. And this is just another take on that same braided hairstyle with half of it down. So you could do this and wear it to work or just throughout the day, and then if you go to the gym later that night or after work or whatever, put the rest of it up into that ponytail or that messy bun, and you have kind of two hairstyles in one, and it's super easy. You only have to braid it once. Another super simple way to wear your hair is using accessories like a headband. I have been loving the headband and headscarf trend. I was wearing it last year with like the neckerchief, and I did 3 ways to wear a silk scarf. So first I just like to put my hair up in like a bun or a ponytail, just so that it's out of my way. But I'm going to make the, sorry, my hair tie is tangled. I'm going to make the scarf just, I want my part to show a little bit, so I just want to make sure my part is where I want it to be, and then I just tie my hair out of the way. And I do want my pieces right here down, so you can take whatever pieces you want down before you do this. And then I'm just taking my scarf. This is a square scarf, and I just folded it up to be about a 1-inch thick scarf, and the ends are hanging out. So I'll put the middle of it at the back of my neck, and then I'm just going to bring it up and tie it. And I tie it slightly to the side, but not a ton, and then pull it tight and knot it. And then the ends I don't want just flopping out. If they were shorter, I would just leave them out, but they are a little bit out of control like this. So then I'll just take the ends and tuck them into the back. And I'll take my hair down. And I think this is just a really fun way to wear your hair for spring and summer. It's out of your face, and you have a little bit of a pop of color or pattern in your hair without having to really do much effort at all. One of the other ways I like to wear the scarf is with a messy bun on top of my head. So I just pull all of my hair all the way to the top of my head. And then I've been using these spiral hair ties. I can't get enough of them. I go through, put my fingers through it, make a fist, and then wrap my hair around and secure it. And then I can fix the bun later, but I'm just gonna pull out the pieces that I want. And then I will take my scarf and again put it at the base of my neck and tie it. And again, I will just secure the ends. And then I can kind of mess with my bun and secure it down with some bobby pins. And that is the final look. This is again another one to work out with. You can wear your hair down all day and then throw it up into a messy bun with the same scarf on and wear it to the gym. Alrighty guys, those are my 5 go-to hairstyles for spring. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.